I got a door to put in here, take this window out, and just cut with a concrete cutter the bricks down here. So we'll have a door to go out to that way. A new bathroom. The tiles are coming on Tuesday. I just have to take this wall out, take this mirror here. I'll probably do that tomorrow. And then this floor, it all got grinded. And this guy came and he gave me a price to take out all the tiles through everywhere and strip all of this out. And he wanted $1,000 to start, so I gave him $1,000. And he did a bit of work here. And then out here was all like tiles. And he's just got his jackhammer and just jackhammered a line through here, made dust everywhere. And then said the next day, I want more, like, I want money now, I'm not going. And he was just, I just thought he was trying to get out of the job or something like that. And then he tried to call me a scammer. But I said no. So I ended up just getting a professional to come and do it. His name was Tyrone. Tyrone, this dude. Anyway, we're getting all new tiles through everywhere. New bench tops. And then once this is painted, it's gonna be beautiful. Let me show you the kitchen that we just did. I got some Cornice cement. I've already mixed it up, so this intro is gonna be really, really quick. Here's the kitchen. Looking good. Give you a quick rundown. Yummy. Looking beautiful. All right. We've got a lot of work happening in here. Let me mix up the Cornice cement, and I've got a few patches to do around the place. We used to have internet cables running through here, and we ran them down, put them through the wall, so I had to get rid of this cornice here. When we put this wall in here, we have to put these cornices up, so that's what I'm doing now, and we have some other patches to do. Okay, Cornice cement 45. I use this stuff for everything. You want it like a nice consistency, so it's not like gonna fall off the hook. Okay, these are all marked. 810. This is so strong, this stuff. And you should always put a little bit on the edges, because you wanted a nice seal. This one is 810, which is the one on the right. Slip that in there, hopefully it fits. Yes, it does. 848. So we're just mainly trying to, originally we were renovating that kitchen over there, and we've removed the benches, and I had to remove the tiles in the back, and then I dug into it a little bit, so I thought I'd mix up some Cornice cement and fill a few holes there. And then I thought, well, while I've got the Cornice cement out, I might as well do these other little things around as well. And then I thought, well, while I'm doing that, I might as well make a video and give you a little update. And it's Katrina's birthday yesterday. She's 13. Hello. Happy birthday. Next one. And over here, Tan, we are having a baby, look. All right, a little bit of an update. I haven't had a lot of time to film a lot of stuff lately. Oh, this one's tight. Of course it is. Of course it is. Damn it. Man. You can guarantee that'll happen when you're doing a video. Well, we're just gonna have to come out here. A simple cut has got to be tight. And then you're gonna get everything in a mess. Man, that's what happens. That's what happens. Whoa. Nightmare. Silly. I have to come and clean that after this video. Backstage. Always something. And before that dries, we've got to come back through and scrape that off. So. Nice. Hope this one's not tight. That would be annoying. Perfect. I actually went to do this and I went to put pieces up. I've done this before and it was 90 mil. We'll get these up, we'll scrape them off, and then we've got a bunch of little patches we'll do. And then I'll show you a few other things as well. Bit thin there. I'm not sure what products they use in like America for this, but we call this Cornice cement. And out of all the types of Cornice cements, I find this one is the strongest and most predictable. Bit of a tight squeeze, this one. I'll go this way. Oh, you see that internet cable there? Yeah, I had to run data down the wall. So I had to pop this cornice off. It's backwards, idiot. That's 2.6, so it's not going to spin around. Whoa. Backwards, mate. Helps if you have two people. Right. I'm going to scrape it now, and if there's any gaps, just fill them up. And these edges weren't even, so you have to shape it yourself and go over it a few times so you don't notice. Tape this in, and this mud, it's been worked a little bit, so it should dry quickly. Put some on here too. Stay there. Maybe that'll help. And you just want to put the tape over the join. Don't really want to overlap it. On the first coat like this, you just got to get it taped in and leave it flat. Doesn't have to be pretty, but it does need to be flat. Pretty good. And I'm just going to skim over it. There will be another 2 coats over the top of it. Yeah, I'm not trying to finish just this all at once. But just get a coat on. And as soon as I've done this, I'll wipe that other cornice, because that'll be drying pretty fast. Alright, that's alright for that coat. "45 minutes this compound is supposed to last. Make sure you've got it filled. I'll be doing another coat another time, and every coat gets a bit nicer, but at least it's up and the bugs can't come in. You can come back a little bit later and sponge as well, as long as it's all drying nicely. Made a bit of a mess. Fill up all the holes. And after this video, if you're still watching, I'm going to show you the special Maxkil motorcycle. That's right. "10 minutes. Tune in for another 10 minutes. Well, just get some mud down my shirt. Yeah, I have some other things to take care of here. Oh, she's going off. She's going off. Let me stick that to the side. Don't recommend this, guys. I don't need too much more. quickly come here. I just want to fill these up. It's actually good if the mud's a bit drawn off and solid. Got a splash back going right along here. I had a bit in my bedroom here too. Too much jabber jawing and problems. You need to make sure before you mix this up everything's going to work smoothly, so maybe it's a good idea to test that your cornice will fit. Getting all new benches all through here. I think this will be right. Pretty nasty. Okay. Didn't get much done. Let's try and do one more piece, folks. One more piece. Alright. Alright. We've got, I'll quickly, don't show them that, don't show them the bike yet. Go over there, face over there, yeah. I'm going to show them the bike after. So I had to take this little piece out in here. Come on in. Do your prep work before you mix up, folks. Yeah, I had to take a bit of this down. Up here I ran some new aerial cable and data. So I carefully chopped this out. Hopefully it just plugs back in, baby. There you go. That's your little home. You like that? He's back. They don't sell this anymore. You have to get it custom made. Like what we had to do in that kitchen there. There we go, that's good. I'll just clean that up and that is stuck. And then if you stick with me 2 more minutes, I'll show you the new motorbike. And I'll tell you the story about the motorbike. It's got a funny story. I suppose I could tell you the story now. It was stolen in Melbourne. Went through the insurance company. It's a written off vehicle. Written off because there's this one part that was damaged on it when it was stolen, and it's the like the keyless ignition. The plastic, it's just a plastic bit, like all the the fob and everything works on it. But it's just missing this plastic bit. And to get it new, it's like $2,000, so I've been waiting for one second hand. None yet. I'm just gonna clean this up now. I'm not trying to make it look perfect. Just trying to make it so when I come back to it, I don't have to chisel anything off. And then, yeah, I just gotta clean it up, come on. Oh wait, before I show you the bike, we'll just sponge that cornice and then I'll show you the bike. All right. So another 8 minutes. Another 8 minutes. All right, I think that'll be right to sponge. I know it's not pretty yet, but it will be. We'll sponge that. All right, so we'll get a bucket of water and a sponge. And we'll clean that up. Oh, here. But first, we'll just fill this up. Should scrape it before you do this. Bit of a good old scrape. Oh wow. Alright, it's good for a first coat. But you got more here. All just so I could run some new aerial cable. Because they had the aerial cable running on the outside of the house and it looks silly. So I had to run it on the inside of the house. And that's another thing I did today. Just getting a bucket of water with my sponge, which is near the tap. And I was meant to go to work today, but I thought I would just work around here. All my old gutters, I got all of those replaced. And we're just going to use the sponge to smoothen everything off. So when we do a next coat, it's kind of ready to go. Just quickly come in here, get this one done. Just gonna smoothen it off. I'll worry about it all matching next time, but it's pretty good. And make sure all the lines are lined up, that'll be fine. It's not all finished, but at least everything's done. The cornice is up, it's off the ground. Next coat will be a bit easier. You just dress it up and clean it up a bit. See if you let it dry too long. That's why it's always good to keep this as clean as you can. Not a big deal, but I mean, if you've got a lot to do, you don't want to be going over your stuff too much. You want it to be nice and smooth sailing. I mean, this is the easiest cut ever. And it didn't fit. Just caused a lot of problems. Slowed you down, so you get less done. I had other patches I could have done, but we ran out of time because I wasn't ready. But I mean, that'll paint up good. I'll just go over the TV now. You don't want to rub too long as well. It starts to fur up and you wear out the paper. This cornice is made from the same material as the drywall. It's paper-faced gypsum. There's going to be some serious lipstick put on here to make it look pretty. But that's it. That's it. Let me wash my hands. Come on in here. Everything's under control now. I can let it dry and I'm not too worried. So, oh, here's dinner. Let's do a little review, food review. Oh, hear that? Let's have a taste. Oh, not bad. All right, I'll show you the motorbike as promised. That's why I wanted to put that cornice up, because it's Saturday today, and on Monday I'm getting James to come while I'm working. I'm gonna get him to come and paint through all here. All right, come and look at this motorbike. You can stand. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. I'll start it up. I'll bring it over. So, got a nice mixer for the kitchen, and then a really good filter, reverse osmosis filter here. That's going to go in there as well. I'll just pull this bike out. Come around the other side, love. Maxkil Home Services to your door. Just got to put the stickers on. Just got to finish the sticker kit. Alright, that'll do it. Dinner time. Thanks for watching. That's a little bit of an update. Thank you, camera lady Katrina, who's now 13. And we'll see you next time.